I'm from Memberstack here, and today we're talking about our recently launched feature, which is email campaigns. So email campaigns give you the ability to send anything from product announcements, onboarding messages, plan upgrade nudges, and so on. And these are completely different from transactional emails, which are one-to-one messages like password resets and welcome emails. And email campaigns will allow you to send one-to-many broadcasts to different members based on different conditions. Okay, so for this video, I am going to set up a plan upgrade nudge for users that are on a free plan. So I have this design that I'll be replicating inside of Memberstack, and at the end of this video, I'll also share a resource with you on where to get email template inspiration, so stick around. So to actually get started with email campaigns, you are going to need to make sure that you have the following set up. You are going to make sure that you have a verified sender domain. You also have an active plan with available email quotas and an account that is at least 7 days old and at least one member inside of your Memberstack dashboard to actually send out the emails to, and finally a valid sender address. Okay, so once you have all of those prerequisites set up, you can now get started with email campaigns. So to access email campaigns, you are going to head over to your Memberstack app and you're going to click on emails over here, and then this will lead you to the email campaigns area. So first thing you'll see is transactional emails and then campaigns, and then you're going to click on campaigns over here, and what you'll see is this area. So to get started, you are going to click on create campaign, and then you are going to create a campaign name, which is going to be internal for you, and then the subject line. So for my campaign name, I'm just going to name it free plan nudge, and then for the subject, I'm going to name it you are on a free plan. And then I can start and edit the campaign. So this will then lead me to the editor where I can configure the email template. Okay, so based on the design that I have a banner and then a couple of paragraphs and a button. I do not have to add this unsubscribe button at the bottom over here, as that is already added automatically with every email campaign. So just to get started at the very top, I am going to drag in an image element over here. But the first thing that you actually need to do for email campaigns is to make sure that you have configured your settings. So like I said at the beginning of this video, I am going to be creating an email campaign for users on a free plan to nudge them to upgrade to a higher plan. So I've already configured my campaign name and the subject line, and now I will set up my preview text and then the from name. So I'm just going to name that I'm from Memberstack. For now, I'm going to leave the reply to email as blank. So what I want to do is set up a filter that will only send this email to users that are on a specific free plan. You can also set up filters such as member filters, for example, users that have verified or have unverified emails. You can also set up campaigns for users that have created an account between a certain date, or users that are on a certain have a certain custom field inside of your Memberstack application. For now, I am going to be setting up this audience for users that are on a free forever plan. And then at the very bottom, I can see who the members are within this audience. So these are the users that are going to be receiving this email campaign. So once I've configured all of that, I can then just click on done, and then I can continue to actually design my template. So I've already dragged in an image element over here, and I'm just going to upload my banner. And then what I'm going to start off with is a paragraph for the very top of my campaign. So I have the name field over here, and I don't need this attributed area because I'm just going to be using the merge tags custom field, and I'm going to set that up with name so that when this email is sent, it's going to say, hey, Magnaim, or hey, user name. So the next thing I'm going to do is add another paragraph, and then I think we have a heading. And you can see that every time I add an element on the canvas, a few editing options also appear on the right side panel, and I can configure things such as the font family, font weight, size, and so on. So for this, I can see that my paragraph is probably around 16 pixels. I'm going to leave the font weight as body font, that's fine. And for my heading, I'm just going to change that to H2, and then the weight, I'll set that to bold for now. Okay, so I need another paragraph over here. and that is also going to be 16 pixels. Some more text. And then I'm just going to drag in a button. And for the button, I need it to be aligned to the left. Change the button color to black. The text color is white. Okay, I'm just going to leave the rest of the settings the same. And then another paragraph element. And I can see that this one has a different color, so I'm just going to grab that. And then that is also 16 pixels. And then finally, our little company tag at the bottom. Change that to black. Okay, so that is as close as possible to the design that I have over here. So, okay, I have everything outlined. And then I'm just going to set that as a draft. So I'm going to update it. And you can see that if you have configured your email campaigns properly, all of these would be marked as completed, but I have 4 out of 5 marked as completed. But for you, you need to make sure that all of these are actually marked as completed in order to send out a campaign. But for now, I'm just going to send out a test email to see how this would actually look like. Okay, so our test email is sent. You can see that the email says Machaim from Memberstack, and I'm pretty sure that my name isn't added here because this is a test email, but I can see that the layout is as close as possible as to how I want my template to look like, and everything is configured close to the design as well. Okay, so I have completed my email campaign design, and once I am ready to send, I will then be able to click on the start campaign button, or I can schedule it for a later time. And I can also view how this email is going to look like over here. Okay, so I have set up an email for users that are on a free plan, and you can set up a bunch of other filters for this to actually work for you as well. All right, so like I said, I have a resource for you that will allow you to design beautiful emails inside of Memberstack email editor, and it's called Really Good Emails. So what this allows you is you get an email template and you can replicate the design to match your brand. So this is where I get inspiration if I was designing email campaigns for my brand. Okay, so this is at reallygoodemails.com, and you can create a free account in order to check this out. All right, thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.